Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can make money through charcoal business. Today we're going to learn how you can make money through charcoal business. How you can make your money through charcoal business. You might be thinking about what is charcoal. What is charcoal business? You know, there are different ways you can make money through charcoal business in Nigeria. Either as a retailer and also as a producer of charcoal. So for you to make money in charcoal business, first of all, as a retailer, you must have a shop where you can sell the charcoal. For you to sell the charcoal, you must have a shop, a location where the charcoal are sold. And it's a profitable business. It's a lucrative business. It moves. Most people don't like it because of the fact that all their hands will be stained with black, will stain with their charcoal. Most people, so there's barrier to entry. Some people that don't like such kind of, that don't like their hands to be dirty, might not want to go into charcoal business. But it's a very profitable business because there's demand throughout the year. Who are the customers? Where is demand coming from? One, people that are roasting corn, people that are roasting fish, people that have a restaurant are the ones in demand of this charcoal. So you have the business is there all around. You go to the city now, you see people are around roasting corn by the roadside. Some people are roasting fish, catfish. Some people are roasting yam. Some are also using it to cook food in restaurant. So the demand of charcoal is on the high side. So you make your money every time. For you as a retailer, you have people that will supply you in bags. You can buy the bags and they will supply to your shop, or you go there and pick it by yourself. And each bag is sold at a particular amount. Some customers also used to come and buy in bags. So depending how much you bought it, you can also sell and make your profit if you are a retailer. So if you also, all you need to do is have a nylon. Some people used to package them in nylon, and as each nylon is sold for, some are selling in 150, some are selling 100 naira, depending on the size of the sack. So you can be retailing. So in a bag, you can retail and make serious money. How much are they selling one bag? From the buyer, from the producers, you can buy a bag 1,500, 2,000, 1,000, depending on the size of the bag. So from there you can retail and make more money. So in every month you are sure of making not less than 100,000 naira from charcoal retailing. So you can, all you need to do is just have a space where you can put there. You can also add firewood business to it. In the city, if you're in the city like Lagos, Ibadan, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and all these big cities, most times you don't have wood for them. Or sometimes they want to do a kind of party, they need a firewood, they need charcoal. So for them to be able to cook food, because not every food now they can be able to use stove or gas to cook. So you need this charcoal to fire the pots for the food to be done. So you need charcoal. So charcoal is a fast moving product in the city. So you can just get a space and start the business. You can make as much as 100,000 naira monthly. That is for retailers. If you are into production, what do you require to become a producer? All you need now is to have a space where you can do what? Where you can dig. You dig this space. You might think, how has it produced? How are they producing this charcoal? How are they producing it? It's just you using your common sense. You just get a space. When you have a space, you dig the ground according to the size of wood that you have, and do what? Lay the wood on the ground that you have dug. So it's good to do them in dry season and stock them. So even in dry season, even in rainy season, people can still be buying it from you. All you have to do during the rainy season, you process your wood down, the charcoal down, and store them in a very good location, and people will be coming to buy them from you. So if you're a producer, you can even make as much as 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, as your capacity is, capacity for the business. So how do you make it? Like I was trying to say, you dig the ground, have a space like a farm site, a particular site where the charcoal is being produced. You dig your ground and get a log, go far places and go and buy woods and log and lie them down, apply fire, let them burn. So it will cover the place and let it fire, put fire there. It will burn. After it has burned, the charcoal that is left is the raw one that you are going to do that you're going to package for sale. So, or it will be half burned. You allow the whole charcoal to finish boil, the wood to finish burning. Once you have started burning, you do what? You just remove the charcoal. The charcoal, just as it's processing, you make sure that the whole wood did not complete. It did not complete burning. So you remove the charcoals, from and store them. That is charcoal you are going to sell, for retailers to come and buy from you. And you can make as much as 100,000 naira if a retailer, and you can also make as much as 1 million naira, if you are also a producer of the charcoal. So these are how the charcoal is being produced, and that is how it works. So there's money in the business. People run away from it because of the fact that it requires, it's a dirty kind of job, and it requires to go outside the city to get to get woods that you're going to use to process it. But it's a very, very lucrative business. So I encourage you, if you have a found land, a space where it can be done, there's market for it. So people are making serious money from it. I have somebody close to me that does the business, and the person is making so much money. Every per second, people are coming to buy charcoal. Per second, people are coming to buy charcoal. People that are, frying, this akara boys on the road that are buying charcoal. People that are roasting corn that are buying charcoal. People that are roasting fish that are buying charcoal. People are roasting yam. So charcoal is on a high demand. So if you don't have anything doing, I recommend the business for you. It's a very good one. It's a lucrative business. You can make as much as 100,000 naira, monthly by retailing charcoal. You can make as much as 1 million naira monthly by producing charcoal. So it's a lucrative business. If you're interested, if you have any comments, don't forget to use the comment box below in this video to make your comments. And also, if you have any question to ask us, use the comment below to also ask your question. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscription, the red button below to subscribe to the channel, so that you can have more videos, more helpful videos from us from time to time. And also, don't forget to click on the notification button there, in the video there. Just click on that notification button so that whenever we upload videos that can help your life, you'll be able to get it straight to your mailbox, and you can access any of our videos on our channel. So we advise you to share this video with your friends, your family, your colleagues. Share it on social media and let people to get to know how they can be making money, by selling charcoal, by selling raw charcoal, and also by producing charcoal for the public consumption. So it's a very good business. So make your comments, ask your question, subscribe to the channel, guys to everything. That's the channel. So we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.